Our top 5 best watercolor palettes. One number product. FCLUB Empty Watercolor Palette. This FCLUB Empty Metal Watercolor Palette meets all of our criteria for its versatility, quality, and price, which is why it's our top choice for a general use palette. Able to hold 24 removable half pans or 14 full pans, this palette provides the artist with enough flexibility to hold different paints for a number of projects and is still small enough to carry around. 2 number product. FCLUB Travel Watercolor Palette. Airtight, lightweight, and compact are all essential qualities to look for in a watercolor palette needed on the go, and this FCLUB palette meets each one and thus makes it our top choice for a travel watercolor palette. Available in fuchsia, this 18-well metal palette also comes with 2 plastic mixing areas, one that is removable and can second as a color guard while traveling. 3 number product. FCLUB 12 Watercolor Palette. Beginners will appreciate this solid 12-piece half-pan watercolor palette for its small size, yet with enough pans to hold a diversity of colors along with 5 mixing areas. Although the manufacturer states that this model is good for traveling, we don't suggest using it for painting outside or for travel since it's not an airtight container and simply snaps closed. Before purchasing other pans to use in this tin, be sure that they fit this standard-sized palette. 4 number product. FCLUB Metal Watercolor Palette 26 half pans. Ideal for professional watercolor artists, this metal watercolor palette has an enamel interior and comes with 26 half pans, but can easily fit 37 half tins if using the row down the center, left for paintbrushes, or 14 full pans, sold separately. This durable set can be used with either watercolor tubes or most standard half or full watercolor pans, including Holbein, Winsor & Newton, and other top brands. Additional features comprise 4 mixing zones, and options to buy 12 or 48 half-pan palettes as well that can also fit 19 or 52 pans, respectively. 5 number product. Jack Rickison Porcelain Watercolor Palette. If painting predominantly in a studio, then this porcelain round watercolor palette is ideal for beginners or professional artists. Features include 32 wells, including 8 wells in the square corners that border the main round palette, a large mixing space, a useful plastic lid to keep paints free of dust, and easy-to-clean material. This palette is designed by Stephen Quiller, a painter who is well known for color theory and watercolor painting, and many customers have noted that using his color wheel suggestions for pigment arrangement greatly enhances the efficiency of this palette. Thanks for watching this video.